1964, February 14.
Wow, araw ng mga
Mandatory that you have to attend
Yes.
the prom. Mandatory that you have to wear dark pants, dark shoes, barong Tagalog, or Trubinize. Yeah. Now, siya ay sos, may sati pantalon ko nga pawad just below my knee. Awan mo, ti barong Tagalog ko. Awan. Kahit nagbulod ako ijay. Haro ba man nila kay minisis. Da barong Tagalog ng butyog, kaltitsan na. So nga,
loose.
o sarap, atidog ti payak na. Ay sus, dakal kanyak. And then, the only shoes, dark shoes that I can use was the only balding shoes of my father. So na, biinosar ko, iso nga, no kita ti tsurak. I am worse than a king kuy that you usually in the comics. Kaalala, kaalalas ti tsurak. The junior seniors prom, the instruction is the male will line up here, the female will line up there.
Yeah.
You march towards the stage, and whoever you will meet there, she will be your partner. Ikastam iti imam, ket isalabay na mo ti ima na, mapang kayo dyan. Idi, nagmarcha kami. Kita kaya ket. So happened that then naibatog kanya classmate ko mo, Piman, the daughter of the boss of the powerhouse, Elepanto. I do not blame her.
Do you remember the name, sir?
I know the name.
Can you tell it to me later, sir?
I know the name. Eh di kongkat, dua nga po ko, di mano na, di barong Tagalog ko nga, siguro maariya kanya, beben natin na, ay apo yun. That was the time that I felt the feeling of a child, of a poor family.
Yeah.
Talagang ako. So nga, awanin, miti katawan ti tao, dikit. That aggravated also my embarrassment. So nga, dumanong kami di likudan. Tim marayat nga rimwar from the hall at awan. Ang kumatipulan ti. I can remember 4 of my classmates nga ni Dinya Campos who unfortunately died. Ni Jane nga Dawi also died. Also. Ni Ruby nga Gumiyak who also died. And then ni Marina nga ununod sinurot na piman siya. May ka, sublita. You know, awan, I cannot anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Awanin. But anyway, after that, talagang imanag iti kapanunutak. Because if I look at myself, talaga mo't piman nga kalalaadak mo't awan pulos. So nga, what can I do to be recognized in the class nga adagayam dumugan ka klase da? So nga, what came to my mind was agadal, uray recitation, uray quiz, examination. Basta abak ni Dejeng nga ng ikas. Diyati may kanya.
So you made it as
is a challenge. Yeah. Which I did. Then, mayat mo't nagpaisot ti greetings ko. So nga, oreno kasi ti tsurak. Ay, a lot of my classmates are my friends. Yeah. So, those are just part and parcel of my life.
Naughty question, sir, in your high school. Your memory is so sharp. Maybe, can you still remember your childhood sweetheart, in high school? Naughty question.
Pulos sanak nagar-aram iti high school. Because da iti kapanunutak. That's a good question. Da kapanunutak. As ano nga agaram ka? Pulos. You have no means of supporting your family.
Yeah.
If you will only rely like the life those I left in my sitio nga.
El Maestro Speaks Podcast.